Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing some essential skincare tips to help you achieve that radiant, glowing skin you've always wanted. Skincare isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling confident and maintaining overall skin health. Stick around as I walk you through a comprehensive routine and some natural remedies you can easily incorporate into your daily life. First off, let's talk about why skincare is so important. A consistent skincare routine can help prevent common issues like acne, dryness, and premature aging. Plus, taking care of your skin can boost your confidence and overall well-being. Think of your skincare routine as a form of self-care. It's all about nurturing your skin and yourself. Now let's dive into building an effective skincare routine. Start with cleansing. Choose a cleanser that suits your skin type. Gel cleansers for oily skin and creamy cleansers for dry skin. Next is toning. Toners help balance your skin's pH and prep it for better absorption of other products. Then move on to treatments like serums. Look for active ingredients like hyaluronic acid for hydration or niacinamide for brightening. Don't forget to moisturize. This step seals in hydration and protects your skin barrier. Finally, apply sunscreen daily. Broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher is crucial to protect against UV damage. Let's talk about some natural remedies for common skin issues. For acne treatment, tea tree oil is fantastic due to its antimicrobial properties. You can also try DIY spot treatments with ingredients like aloe vera, witch hazel, or apple cider vinegar. For dry skin, hydrating masks with honey, avocado, or yogurt can be very nourishing. Face oils like jojoba or argan oil provide intense hydration and help restore your skin's moisture balance. If you're concerned about anti-aging, look for ingredients like retinoids and vitamin C. Retinoids stimulate collagen production and reduce fine lines, while vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that brightens your skin. Incorporate anti-aging serums that target specific concerns like wrinkles, dullness, or uneven skin tone. Tailoring skincare tips to your specific skin type is key. If you have oily skin, manage sebum production with oil-free products and ingredients like salicylic acid or clay masks. Use mattifying products to control shine throughout the day. For sensitive skin, opt for gentle cleansers and calming ingredients like chamomile, oatmeal, or Centella asiatica, cica. Nourishing your skin from within is just as important. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and limiting caffeine and sugary drinks. Consider supplements like collagen peptides or omega-3s for additional skin health support. Lifestyle factors also impact your skin. Ensure you get adequate sleep for skin repair and renewal. Manage stress with mindfulness practices, yoga, or meditation. Avoid harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, as they can accelerate skin aging. For additional tips, regularly exfoliate to remove dead skin cells and improve texture. Use skincare tools like facial rollers, gua sha stones, or LED masks to enhance product absorption and boost circulation. Adjust your skincare routine based on seasonal changes. Opt for more hydration in winter and lighter textures in summer. To wrap things up, remember to personalize your skincare routine based on your skin type and concerns. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and beauty content. See you next time.